Hi everyone, I was gifted this engine digital tachometer to do a review on, and today we're going to install this inverter generator. But first, let's start with opening the box and see what's inside. On the manual, you get three different sizes. This is what it looks like once it's installed. It's very secure, it's not going anywhere. Find the spark plug and clip onto a spark plug wire. When you first turn it on, it defaults automatically to total engine hours, the clock, and the battery state. You can set this to whatever interval you need, like change spark plugs or air filter. Service interval to do the oil changes. Max RPMs. Settings for RPMs. RPMs warning, where you can change it to wherever you need. Clock. So the engine max RPM on this one's 3800. Let's see how accurate it is. If you get incorrect RPM reading, refer to your manual. There are settings you have to change. Wow, everything's really accurate. I definitely recommend this product. It works on many different applications. 2-stroke, 4-stroke, quad, motorcycle, boats, jet skis.